This is my drawing of Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I want to guide you through all the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's drawing in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, and I always want to start at the very top, go counterclockwise around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, again going counterclockwise towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two small circles across the top for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's add some thick lashes, starting from the top of the eye, bend this up and then out. And we're going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. Now I want to add some thickness, starting back at the top, go thicker as we go towards the outside, and then taper that down towards the bottom, and I'll fill the lashes in black. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start on the left, start with the bottom edge coming down and then up. Move up and draw a short curve across the top of the nose. And then we're going to move down. Let's add the mouth. We're going to curve this down and up. Add a small bracket on the ends. Now I want to give this character some lips. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then down toward the left. And then we'll add the lower lip. We're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Starting above the left eye, bend this up and then out. Now I want to thicken up the brow, coming in and then back down towards the point. Now with the face complete, let's move back up to the top right in the middle. Start with a point. We're going to bring that hair coming down along the side of the face. So start with the left side. Going around, just touching the edge of the eye. Come down and then in towards the bottom. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, going around the eye and then down towards the same height. Let's add some thickness. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going up across the head, and we're going to step up, add some thickness towards the outside, come down and pull that in towards the point. Now with the hair in place, we can tuck the face in underneath, starting on the left side. We're going to curve this down, across the chin, just underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up. Let's finish off the hair. Start from the top, we're going to go with the left side. We're going to go up, round this out, and then pull that down. Now from here, we're going to draw the edge of the ears, bend this out, and then back in. Let's add those two ribbons across the top. We're going to start on the left side with a half circle, going up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll draw the ends of the ribbon. From the top, then it's up and then out towards the side. Curve the side, coming back in towards the head. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come back to the hair after we've drawn the body. Now we're going to add another ribbon on the right side. So right here, we're going to start with a circle on the end. From the top, and it's up and then out. Curve the bottom. And it's going to round up the sides. And then from the side of the knot, we're going to add a fold. Let's go to the chin and add the collar. We're going to start with a half circle, coming down and then up. Let's move out to the side. We're going to draw the side of the body. We're going to go all the way out and then bring that down towards the bottom. Go in behind the ribbon on the right, go out, and then down. Now I'm going to close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back up to the top, add that trim coming in and then down. I'm just going to round up the middle. Let's trace the inside of the ears. Start the inside coming down, round at the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the point. Now we're going to move down. Draw 2 straight lines going across. And then in the middle, draw a half circle for the eyes. And I'll fill the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw an oval. And then on the top, straight line going across the nose, come down towards the point. Let's fill the inside of the nose, and then from the tip, bend this down and then out. Now we're going to draw 2 paws along the bottom. We're going to start with a circle on either side. Let's fill those in black. Now on the outside, we're going to draw 3 ovals for the toes, a little bit of a gap in between, and we go in the opposite direction on the right. Now I want to trace these paws along the outside, so leaving an even spaced gap all the way around. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet, and then we'll curve the feet, coming down and then up towards the outside. From the left side, we're going to go up, bend this down towards the heel, and just draw a short line coming in. Now going to the top of the foot, we're going to draw the outside leg, bend this up and then in. Now we can go back and finish off the arms. We're going to start on the left side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on the left and right. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb and then close off the ends with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, bend this up and in behind the hair. I just want to pull this up and then in towards the body. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, second, and then the third. Go in behind the ribbon, and then the hair. Let's separate the cuff from the thumb, that is up, and then out. Now that we complete the body, we can go back and finish off the hair. We're going to start from the very top left, then it's up, come down around the ear, and then in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up, down, and then in. And I want to bend this out, pull this in behind the hand. And I just want to close this off in towards the body. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.